In which, in the last semester, do we have the marketing management paper?
Yeah, that's the thing. I'm telling you is that there are three types of MBAs that there are more actually.
There are more.
So one usually we used to do is MBA 2 years course.
2 year course.
Everybody knows about. So 2 years course is there. Another course is there 3 years course.
Three
It's a
years
part-time MBA.
Part-time
So people are now doing this. A lot of students are doing this because those who are working professionals,
All right.
they used to do this 3 years part-time MBA course. Then there are courses like executive MBA.
Executive
MBA. Those who are already working
Okay.
professionals and let's say around 5 years, 6 years or 10 years of
So what is the
experience.
difference between like the usual the MBA and the
I'm telling you what the
executive?
difference. Yeah, I'm
Yes.
telling the difference also. And there, this is there. Another thing is there is PGDM.
PGDM.
So PGDM in say IIM PGDMs or PGDMs also equivalent to MBA only. Only
That's
thing
a
is that
diploma.
PG diploma is PG diploma there are 1 year course and 2 years course.
2 year course.
So 1 year course is not equivalent to MBA, definitely
Alright.
not. But 2 years course is equivalent to MBA. 2 years PGDM course, and the two from top-notch colleges of the institutes, the top-notch college institutes. Now the difference I'm telling you is in case a person pursues PGDM course, suppose,
PGDM course.
there is more on practicals.
More on practicals.
More on
Okay.
practicals. So there are more on practicals, there are more on, say for example, they are in the top-notch PGDM colleges, B schools.
So that's a 1 year course.
No, 2 years course.
2 year course.
2 years course.
Okay.
And they are doing from the B school, suppose. What happens, they used to understand about the cases. They go for the case study.
For a case study.
Case studies.
Okay.
They used to go, they used to meet the professionals who are already in the companies, and they used to get delivery from them
Right.
about all the things.
Right.
So that is the positive point of that.
Okay. So they practically get to work in the field.
You work in the field. I don't know more about it.
Right.
Now another thing is that MBA, supposing from university, any
University.
university. Now what happens, in university they used to give exact every knowledge, every side of knowledge. I mean, theory and practical both. Now here what happens, theoretically they know a lot more than the PGDM peoples, because there are a lot of theory papers, lot of theory issues are there. They know that. Now apart from that theory part, they go for the practical. So because MBA itself is a practical oriented thing. Because after an MBA, student definitely will go for a job where they will have to work practically.
Practically,
So
yes.
they definitely require practical orientation of the course actually. So that is there in the MBA. Now 3 years course, another which course is there, 3 years course. Here what happens, that the professionals get all the things which are there in MBA 2 years course, but the difference is because that is a part-time,
Part-time.
all the things cannot be covered within 2 years. That is, graded to 3 years,
Okay.
brought to 3 years actually.
Okay. So you have mentioned that the working people, they can opt for which of the courses?
Now,
Like the part-time.
two courses, one 3 years part-time MBA course,
Part-time.
another executive MBA course, which is
Executive.
1 year course.
Okay. So which one they should opt for?
Now, both are for them only. Both are for
Both are for them.
professionals. The only thing is that in case a person want to go for, say, a career path, like they want to go for in the corporate sector, supposing they are in for a job only.
For a job.
So for the sake of job and for the knowledge actually.
Knowledge,
in case,
yes.
So just executive 1 year executive MBA course,
Right.
that is okay. That they can do. But in case a person wants to go for, supposing, academic side actually, they go for they want to do the PhD in
PhD,
future,
yes.
they want to go for, say, lecturer and
Lecturer,
something like that.
yes.
So in that case, 3 years part-time MBA is the better option.
That's better.
That's better option.
All right. And for the students?
For the students, I definitely would suggest them to go for PGDM first.
PGDM
first, definitely. B schools, because after B schools, every B schools have placement cell. So placement opportunities are there in good knowledge companies.
Right.
And in case not, then the university MBAs, definitely there is the second option. They can go for there also.
All right.